If your Windows 11 PC freezes and you don't know how to open Task Manager, this video could save you hours. Here are 5 ways to open Task Manager in Windows 11. Method 1. Keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press and hold Control, Shift, then press Escape. This will instantly open Task Manager. Method 2. The secret start menu trick. Right-click on Windows Start button, then select Task Manager. Method 3. When your PC is frozen. On your keyboard, press and hold Control, Alt, then press Delete. Then choose Task Manager. Method 4. Using Run command. Right-click on Start button, select Run, type Task MGR, and press Enter. Method 5. Search. Click in Search, type Task Manager, and click on Open. Save this video now because one day you'll need this. That's all for today. See you in the next video.